Phrasal verbs in focus. Put out, explained. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, those tiny but powerful combinations of verbs and prepositions or adverbs. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meanings and usage of a very common phrasal verb, put out. Stick around as we simplify this for you. Put out is a versatile phrasal verb that can have several different meanings depending on the context. This versatility is one of the things that makes English such an interesting language to learn. 1. Extinguish. The most common meaning of put out is to extinguish or stop a fire or a cigarette. For example, after the camping trip, they put out the fire. 2. Produce or provide. It can also mean to produce something or make it available, often referring to information or products. For example, the band is putting out a new album next month. 3. Inconvenience. When used in a social context, put out might imply causing someone trouble or inconvenience. For example, I hope my late arrival didn't put you out. Let's look at some examples to understand the usage of put out better. 1. Extinguish. Please put out your cigarette before entering the building. 2. Produce or provide. The publisher puts out 4 new books every month. 3. Inconvenience. Don't worry about picking me up from the airport. I don't want to put you out. Now that you understand the meaning of put out, it's time for you to practice. Here are a few sentences for you to complete using put out. 1. The fire was raging, but the firefighters managed to blank. 2. She didn't want to blank her friends, so she decided to take a cab home. 3. The company is blank a new version of their software next week. You can pause the video here and try to fill in the blanks. And that's a wrap on our lesson about the phrasal verb, put out. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at understanding and using these phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations. So keep practicing, and in no time, you'll find English becoming second nature to you. As always, happy learning, and until next time.